I could give to you, baby, but I guess you can't see, making new memories with me. Oh, yeah, I'll be okay. I'll be okay. I'll be okay. Oh, yeah, I'm good either way.
Welcome back to the new video. So in this video we're gonna make a shop page using Elementor. So like you can see that this is my website, and in this website if you go here, this is the official Woocommerce website. Okay, so it comes from the official store which comes from the Woocommerce plugin. So if we go to our view store and see our shop page, so you can see that this is a shop page which comes pre-installed from the Woocommerce plugin. Okay, so this is the layout of the shop page, and in this video we're gonna make the shop page, and in the next video we're gonna make this single shop page. Okay, so in this video I'm gonna make the shop page first. Okay, so if we go to our shop page, that's one more time we visit our shop page /shop. Like you can see that in this shop page we don't have any filters. So let's get started and make a new shop page using Elementor Pro. So first we have to go to theme builder. So when we go to the theme builder, you can see that in the below option you can see that there is option product archive and single product. So we're gonna make a product archive, and let's add new. Okay, so for making this you need the Elementor Pro version and the Elementor. So first install that. Okay, so here you can see that it's saying that some new features are there in the Elementor. So but we are not gonna use this time. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's use the Elementor FLEXBOX container for making the shop page. Okay, so let's activate the container first. For activating the container we have to go to the features section, and here you can see that FLEXBOX container. Just activate it and activate the nested elements from here. Okay, so just save the changes. So once you save the changes, let's refresh our archive page. So after activating the FLEXBOX container, you can see that here we get the option. Okay, here we get the option for containers. Okay, so let's start making our page. So here first go to the settings and go to the page layout and choose Elementor full width. Then go to the widget section, and here you can see that I have the plus icon. Just plus it and drag the banner. So first we're gonna make a banner here. So for making the banner I need an image. So let's go to Unsplash. And we're gonna download a banner. Okay, so just type fashion and you will get tons of banner. Here in the orientation choose the landscape. Then after choosing the landscape, choose the any banner you like. So for this I'm gonna use this one. Just download the size which you want. Okay, so I'm gonna choose it and go to here, then go to styles, go to classic, and then go to image, and just drag and drop your image from your computer. Okay, so when you get the image, go to the position and choose the center and display size, choose the cover. So here you can see that we are getting the image, but it is not visible properly because it don't have the height. So for adding the height, just make it like this. Choose the minimum height to 400. So let's choose the minimum height to 350. Here you can see that we get the okay. So if you want some text on it, so let's add a text. We're gonna choose the archive title. Okay. Choose the archive title and go to here and choose the justify content center and align item center. So your text will be in the center. So here you can see that our text is not visible properly. Then go to styles and go to background overlay. Then go to here and just add a black overlay on it. Okay, you can adjust the opacity from here. Just adjust the opacity from here, and then go to the text section and here choose the white color. Okay, so here you can see that our text is not that much bold. Let's bold it. Okay, so let's choose a 500. This is looking good. So here you can see that if you go to the archive title, you can see that we are here having the text archive. So if you want to remove the text, you have to go to the settings and just include context, then go to advanced, then hide it. Okay, so once you hide this, you will see that you don't have the archive title in front of the shop page. Okay, so our shop page is ready. The shop page banner is ready. So let's move to the next section. So in this section we're gonna make the two section. First section is for our filters and the second section is for the archive products. Okay, so let's grab the first, then go to the container and choose its padding. Let's add the padding to 80 from above and 80 from below. Okay, so we have to divide it in the two section. Let's add a container and just make it the duplicate of the container, and go to the first container and go to the layout and make it flex direction to the row and justify content to the center. Okay, so here you can see that we got the two row. So let's make it small for our filter and go to the container and choose its width to 1300. Okay, so let's go to the widget section, and here I'm gonna drop the archive products. Okay, so like you can see that our archive product has come here. So in the left section we're gonna add the filter. Okay, so first we're gonna choose the filter by price, then go to here. Okay, then go to the container, add a container, and inside the container add the text widget. Add your filter by price. Okay, so for the widget you have to go to the WordPress section. Here is the attribute. Okay, so just drag and drop here. So once the widget is ready, you can see that there is a default title. Just remove the title. Okay, it will not show in this, so when we go live it will show there. Okay, so let's add a normal color in it for making a different separation. Okay, so let's add a margin of 10. Then we're gonna duplicate it and here add the filter by categories. Filter by categories. Okay, so just delete it and go to the WordPress again and choose the filter by categories option. Here you can see that we have the option product and categories. So just drag and drop from the here. So here you can see that we are getting the show hierarchy option, and we are also getting the product this text here. Just remove the text from the above. So here are the some other settings. So play according to you which setting you want. Okay, you can also choose here the show as drop down. So this drop down will come in the filter by in the filter option. So I'm going to choose the default version. Okay, so this is the default version. So let's add one more filter here. So let's choose this filter by tags. and go to the widget section and go to below, and here you can see that there is filter by rating option, filter by price, filter by attribute. So let's go to the filter by attribute. Just drag and drop the widget here and remove the previous widget. Okay, so when you go to the widget section, here you can see that we are getting the attributes. If you have made the attribute in your website, it will show here. So here I don't have any attribute, I think. So let's go to here and choose the rating option. Let's see if we are getting the rating option or not. So go to here and products by rating list, filter products by rating. Just drag and drop it and remove the previous one. Okay, so let's update our page and see the changes. So when you go to here, when you update the changes, it will ask for the condition. So let's go to the condition and choose the all product archive. Okay, so just save and close. So let's move to our shop page and just refresh our shop page. So after refreshing the shop page, you can see that we are getting our new shop page design ready. Okay, so here you are getting the option filter by price, filter by options. Okay, so it is not working for this. So let's go back to the shop page. Let's go back to our shop page again, and here you can see that if you open this, it will not showing. It is showing the old shop page. No, it's showing. Okay. And here you can see that we are also in this we are getting the shop page name, and when we go to any filter by this option, you are getting its name here, like air purifying. So let's go to the ceramic posts. Ceramic posts. If we refresh it, we are also getting this here the ceramic posts option. So let's add one more filter to our shop page. So let's duplicate it, and here I'm gonna add the search option. Just write the name search product, and here just remove the old. Here you can see that in the widget option there is widget of the search. Just drag and drop it, and you are getting this option. If you want to delete the above, just remove the above title. So let's update. So after updating, you can see that if we refresh our shop page, we are now getting the search product option. So in this way you can make your shop page by using Elementor Pro. So in the next video we're gonna make the single shop page for you. Okay, so if you like our video, subscribe to the channel, and we're gonna see you next time.